Before you go out hunting, shoot your expensive ammo. So I just got back from the range, and this is why you have to shoot that expensive ammo. Don't go out and buy really cheap ammo, zero your gun in, and then never use your expensive ammo before you go out hunting. This is a diagram of showing different bullets and where they hit as far as impact goes, even though I zeroed it for one bullet. Now, the bullet I zeroed it for, just randomly, was a 185 grain Berger gold medal open tip match from Federal. I then subsequently went and shot American Whitetail. This is a 150 grain Hornady interlock. You can see that that ended up right there. Not too bad, not too far off. That was still going to be a hit if you were out hunting. I then took Swift 150 Sirocco, put that on, and that hit way high. I mean, super dupes high right there. Federal Terminal Ascent 175 grain, and that shot way far over to the right. So you're thinking to yourself, man, those are really bad loads. They're really bad. Those bullets are horrible. They're not hitting the center of the target even though your rifle is zeroed. What you're not taking into account is every ammunition is loaded differently. Loaded with less powder, more powder, heavier bullet, a little bit lighter bullet. They're all loaded differently, which means if you don't have your rifle zeroed to that specific round, that specific ammunition, it's going to shoot different. This is why you must go out, if you're going to buy a box of ammunition to go ahead and go hunting, either make sure you take a few of those and you go out and zero your rifle and get it dialed in with a cheaper round. Then take your expensive ammunition and go ahead and zero it in all the rest of the way. So if you take a really cheap ammunition and zero it in, and then you take your really expensive ammo and you're up here, you just bring it down a few clicks, boom, you're in there. You're not wasting ammunition just trying to get it in the vicinity. And I also recommend you start 25 yards if you have no scope that's zeroed at all. You don't want to go out, zero it with a really cheap ammo here, and then use a different ammo and miss your shot because you didn't go out and spend your expensive, awesome, super duper Captain America ammo and zero it in. It's a lot easier to do that than it is to miss. So take the time to use your expensive ammunition and dial in your scope before you go out hunting. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. And until next time, later.